Hi everyone, it's Miss Spencer and I'm going to go through your videos and activities for Monday the 22nd of February. So these are your new packs for the next couple of weeks. So all your activities are in there. So I'm going to go through today's. So first up in everybody's pack, we have got 2 sheets that look like this. So the whole school are going to be looking at this story called The Dot, and it's all about a little girl who's finding it a little bit she's having a bit of trouble in her art lessons, and she doesn't think that she's good enough to do the art that her teacher's asking her to do, and her teacher tells her not to give up and to draw a little dot, and slowly but surely she gets a better mindset and she thinks that she can do it and she doesn't want to give up, and then she helps her other friends do the same. So it's all about having a go and not giving up. So I have put on this sheet here for you the link for the video for you to watch the story. So we want you to do that first, and this is over the 2 weeks. It doesn't have to be done straight away. You can do it over the couple of weeks. And then you have got the second piece of paper, and on here there is a circle template for you to do your own dot. So your dot can be as big as you want. You can fill the hole. You can do lots of little dots. You can make them glitter if you want, but we want you to use certain colours. So we want you to use greens, blues and purples for your dot. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get everybody's dots that they've either done at home or in school, and we're going to do a whole school display of them. So make sure you keep hold of your dot, put your name on it as well, and then when we can come back to school, bring it with you so we can put your dot work with everybody else's and make a beautiful display. So that's for a couple of weeks. You don't have to do it straight away. You can watch the video 1 week and then the next week you can do your dot, but make sure you keep hold of it so we can put it on our displays. Right. The rest of the activities. So first up, we have our phonics. So set 1, you're looking at the k sound today, and it's the k sound, the digraph with the 2 k. So you've got the curly k and the kicking k. So you've got a video to watch first, and then you've got a little cut and paste. So you've got a picture here, and you've got the sounds here. So you need to put the sounds in the boxes. So either you can cut them out and stick them here, or you can just write them. And you've got another one which is the same, and then you've got a little roll and read so you can practice reading the k sound. Set 2, you have got the A sound. So again, there's going to be a video for you. Then you've got a little spelling activity. So you're tracing over the top, you're putting the A, and then you're writing the words to match the picture. And then on this one, again, it's just a little finish the word. And so you've got the first sounds there for you, and then you need to do the rest of them. And then set 3, you've got the E, so it's the E and the A. So you've got a little find and write the E word. So remember, some of them might not have the E, but you still need to write them. So I'm thinking of sun. I know it doesn't have the E, but still write sun. And then once you've written all the words in the boxes, then you colour the ones which do have the E sound in them. And then you've got a blend, read and write. So here are all your words. So you read the words below, you look at the pictures, and you write each word under the correct picture. Okay, so you've got that one to do. Then it's reading. So everybody has got the same reading in this pack, and it is called The Window. So you've got 2 little pieces of paper. On the first piece of paper, you have got the story. So you can either have a go at reading this yourself or get your adult to read it to you. And then on the second piece of paper, you have got some questions about the story. And next to it, you've got some blank boxes to write the answers to your questions on that story. Then after reading, it is maths. So I have put the link for the White Rose Hub video, and today it's counting in twos. So you have got 2 little pieces of paper with activities on. So the first one is this butterfly with the flowers, and you're filling in the missing numbers, but remember counting in twos. So you start with the blue one, then do the purple one. And then this one, you have got another counting in twos activity. So the first bit is a filling in a missing number, and then you've got the number square filling in those numbers that are missing. Then you've got some English to do. So English, this next couple of weeks is going to be about Jack and the Beanstalk. So I've got a video for you of me reading the story. And then in your pack, you have got a little mind map that looks like this. So in the middle, it says Jack and the Beanstalk. So I want you to watch the video first. And then on your mind map, I want you to write information that you know about the story. So it could be the characters. It could be where it's set. You could write what you know. So the beginning, the middle, the end. Anything that you can remember about the story goes on this mind map. And then finally, it's a science lesson. And science is going to be all about plants this time. So today's video is going to be parts of a plant and what they do. And then you have got a little picture of a flower. Now, the flower is all in little bits. So you need to cut the parts of the flower out and stick it onto this piece of paper here. So you need to make sure that you put the right parts of the flower and stick it correctly onto this one. And then at 3 o'clock, it will be our story time Zoom as usual for you. And that is everything for today. So keep sending pictures and videos on Seesaw, and I will see you again very soon. Bye, everyone.